Hey guys, welcome to this video, and today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic. And this was introduced from C#9, I believe, and it is called top level statements. So what it is actually, that you don't have to write explicitly the main method in the program.cs file. So you don't have to write the class name, the namespace, the method. What you have to just write is the the body of the main method. So for example, here if we see that this is the program.cs file, and we don't have any main method or something. What we have is just this console.writeLine, and if we run this project, it will run and it will print out. So this is very interesting, but as well as it could be very confusing, because we are not used to with these things, right? So in C# we know everything has to be in a class, and it has to have a method to execute it, or especially for a console application, the starting point has to be the main method. So actually, even though you don't have to write the main method here, the compiler is doing it for you. So the compiler is now understanding that if you write something in the program.cs file, that should be in the main method in a way. So because this is the entry point according to the compiler. So yeah, so that's what's happening. But it also might be a bit confusing that how we are going to add using declaratives, using directives, and how we are going to make an asynchronous main method, or how can we return an integer, how we can deal with the argument of the main method. So all these things, but because when the this particular language feature was developed, they all kept those things in mind. So for example, if you want to use using directives, what you should do is you just need to add it here. Let's do like system.text, and you don't have, when you write this, the compiler understands that this line is, you want to use this particular namespace here, but this is the program body. So this is the compiler is intelligent enough to understand this. And same way, if you want to call an asynchronous method from here on, so what you need to do is you just need to use the await keyword, and for example, let's say method sync, and the compiler will understand that you want the main method to be asynchronous. And if you want to return an integer, then what you just need to do is return that particular integer, and so the compiler will make the signature of the main method something like this: int main, instead of void. Yeah, so this is how it works. And if you want to know about the arguments, so what we know that the argument is normally, the name is args, right? And so what you do is you check if if length is 0 or not, because the args cannot be null. It is either it has, if it is 0, it means there was no argument passed. If the length is more than 0, it means there is an argument to deal with. Yeah, so this is how you can do these things in the program class with the main method, using top level statements. So yeah, so that's all for this video, and see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye bye.